Hey guys, it's your host Ashish Arora from Intellect Digest, and in this video we have a successor to one of the best Bluetooth speakers that we have ever tried. Yes, I'm talking about Ultimate Ears or UE's Wonderboom. In this video we'll unbox this, have a quick sound test and tell you what has changed. So without further ado, let's begin. UE Wonderboom comes in this attractive box which also highlights its unique features. Opening the box, we get the speaker itself, a micro USB cable for charging and some paperwork. Putting all this aside, the new UE Wonderboom is an attractive looking Bluetooth speaker. It comes in this unique design which allows music to flow in 360 degrees. It ditches its old neutral color scheme for a refreshed, inspired and colorful new one. Comes in 5 new color schemes, namely concrete, avocado, patches, raspberry and unicorn. The button placement hasn't changed and we get these prominent plus and minus buttons on the front, multifunction UE button on the top and a connectivity button right below the UE button. Let's connect this to our smartphone and show you how it performs. We've set this up and as you can hear, it packs in a bold and a balanced sound signature in this pint-sized footprint. It has IPX7 certification, which means it can be immersed in water for up to 1 meters for about 30 minutes. And as a bonus, if you submerge it into water, it can also float back to surface due to its design. It is a perfect companion for riverside camping or pool parties, or for casual music sessions in showers. The company claims that it has a battery life of 10 hours, which is quite impressive. If you own 2 of these UE Wonderboom speakers, you can connect them together just by clicking the UE button simultaneously on both speakers. It also has a warranty of 2 years, which is a good thing. It is also drop proof for up to 5 feet. For the price of 6,999 or 7,000, I believe that it is a remarkable option considering its portability and good sound signature. I'll be leaving Best Buy links in the video description below. If you like this video, give us a like, comment on how you feel about the speaker, subscribe to us for more such videos and press that bell icon to get notified for whenever we upload a new video. This is your host signing off. Thank you.